Hi everyone, I'm presenting here with my classmates, our high school from Chrysonas, the second grade. I'm Maria Psaraki, here is Rea Polychronaki, and George Lubakis. The rest of them you will see them later. And we first of all want to thank you for inviting us here and giving us the opportunity to be here today. And we're really happy for it. And we want to thank our teachers for letting us know about the competition and giving us the stimulus to start this project. So, creating virtual enterprises in order to connect school with local community with a view to promote traditional and other kinds of products. Our participants, Papadakis Stamatis, Evangelia Foutidzi, and of course our classmates, Aggelidakis Michalis, Vamboukaki Elena, Konyanaki Marina, Kokologiani Eleni, Lubakis Giorgos, Makatunakis Alexandros, Moussa Christina, Xylouris Stelios, Polychronaki Rea, Savakis Giannis, Savakis Odysseas, Tsoraklos Giannis, Houma Eleftheria, Psaraki Maria και Ζαβαλίνα Δημήτρης. Our school, here you can see a photo of our school. It's not very big, but it has really good children. The aim of our task, to be inspired and involved in educational activities concerning the connection of the agricultural production of the local community and economy with school, promoting at the same time innovation and entrepreneurship. We could choose any means in order to describe and promote our local products, getting acquainted in this way with the most essential process of involving in the field of entrepreneurship, investing in agricultural products as well as in local traditional products based on our knowledge, creativity, and our critical thinking, of course. Features of the task: innovation, quality, use of digital environment, taking into consideration our individual skills and personalities, and emphasizing on teamwork and cooperation. I think that the last two are the most important, and highlight the special features of local community, promoting local production and economy, highlighting our local cultural heritage and surroundings, emphasizing the understandings of the financial aspects of the activity, namely the cost of material and technical infrastructure required, cost of labor, choice of instruments. Here you can see our work. We created three entrepreneurship. One is Donkey Latte, because we produce donkey's milk and the other products that come from Donkey Latte, prickly pear, and dandelion for producing those products. And our work. We created those three virtual companies: Donkey Latte for the marketing of derived products of donkey milk, Dandelion for the marketing of dandelion derived products, prickly pear for the marketing of prickly pear derived products. Here, Rea will tell us about our product.
Good evening, I'm Rea Polychronaki. I'm calling to represent our products. We didn't use pesticides or insecticides. All are natural. We respect the animals. There was no animal abuse while I was carrying out the task. Some of our products: donkey milk, prickly pear, dandelion tea, donkey latte, donkey milk, soaps made out of donkey milk with the natural scent, body lotion and body milk made out of donkey milk in various scents, cream of facial care made out of donkey milk in various scents.
So, I should add that we tried to produce those products in real. That didn't go really well, actually. And As you can see, we have a schoolyard here, and we actually planted prickly pear and dandelion. You can see at the second photos down that we had a big disaster when the snow came. So we saw that producing prickly pear in our village wasn't really a good idea. And you can see our schoolyard, and my classmates were planting on the first photos. Here's George here with his donkey taking the role of the model. Our products again. Here are the products of dandelion and prickly pear. The prickly pear company made a handmade soap made of organic prickly pear. We must say that we didn't use any chemicals or pesticides or insecticides, or were natural. We made a handmade jam made of organic prickly pear again, and an organic herb tea made of dried chicory. And thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, ask Google.